Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
US stocks closed sharply lower, as an early lift from a strong retail sales report gave way to a jump in Treasury yields and concerns about rising geopolitical tensions between Iran and Israel. The Ethereum price in USD terms has more than doubled in price since switching to proof of stake in September 2022. But the picture is very different when priced in Bitcoin, as the ETH/BTC pair is down roughly 33% since the merge. Tesla is laying off more than 10% of its global workforce, an internal memo shows, as it grapples with falling sales and an intensifying price war for electric vehicles. Musk last announced a round of job cuts in 2022, hiring over 40,000 people since then.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US housing starts will be released at 12:30 GMT. Japan's imports at 23:50 GMT, Germany's ZEW survey Economic Sentiment at 9:00 GMT. The US industrial production will be released at 13:15 GMT. The UK's employment change at 6:00 GMT. The UK's claimant count change at 6:00 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.